Elevate your small apartment bedroom with this ingenious idea that maximizes space and functionality. Imagine a loft bed or raised platform, creating a cozy sanctuary underneath for a reading nook where you can escape into your favorite book, a compact desk for work or study, or additional storage solutions like drawers or shelving to keep your belongings organized and within reach. This versatile setup not only optimizes floor space but also adds depth and dimension to your bedroom, transforming it into a multifunctional oasis tailored to your needs. Embrace the beauty of vertical living and watch as your small apartment bedroom becomes a haven of comfort and efficiency where every inch is utilized to its fullest potential. Transform your small apartment bedroom into a versatile living space with this brilliant idea featuring a Murphy bed or wall bed. By day, simply fold up the bed to reclaim valuable floor space, allowing you to pursue other activities such as yoga, exercising, or entertaining guests with ease. This innovative design not only maximizes functionality but also enhances the flexibility of your living area, adapting seamlessly to your dynamic lifestyle. Embrace the freedom of movement and watch as your small apartment bedroom becomes a hub of activity and socializing, without compromising on comfort or style. With a Murphy bed, every day brings endless possibilities for enjoyment and relaxation in your cozy abode. Revitalize your small apartment bedroom with this ingenious idea featuring multifunctional furniture pieces. Picture a stylish daybed equipped with built-in storage drawers, offering the perfect blend of comfort and organization. By day, it serves as a cozy seating area where you can relax or entertain guests, while at night, it effortlessly transforms into a comfortable bed for a restful sleep. Alternatively, consider a sleeper sofa that seamlessly transitions from seating during the day to a bed at night, maximizing space and versatility in your bedroom. With these multifunctional furniture pieces, you'll not only optimize your living space but also enhance its practicality and style. Embrace the beauty of versatility and watch as your small apartment bedroom becomes a haven of comfort and efficiency tailored to your every need. Transform your small apartment bedroom into a serene oasis with this minimalist design concept, where simplicity reigns supreme. Picture streamlined furniture pieces in clean lines and a neutral color palette that exudes understated elegance. With its minimalist aesthetic, this design creates a sense of spaciousness and tranquility, making your compact space feel open and airy. Embrace the beauty of simplicity by opting for essential furniture items and decluttering your space, allowing each piece to shine in its own right. With minimal distractions and a focus on clean lines, your small apartment bedroom becomes a sanctuary of calm and relaxation, inviting you to unwind and recharge after a long day. Embrace the minimalist lifestyle and revel in the tranquil beauty of your minimalist haven. Revamp your small apartment bedroom with this smart idea that optimizes space and functionality. Install a wall-mounted desk or floating shelves to create a dedicated workspace, maximizing vertical space and providing a designated area for studying or working from home. This innovative design not only enhances productivity but also adds a stylish touch to your bedroom decor. With a wall-mounted desk or floating shelves, you'll have ample room to organize your essentials and keep your workspace clutter-free. Embrace the versatility of vertical living and watch as your small apartment bedroom becomes a hub of creativity and productivity, tailored to your needs and preferences. Whether you're studying, working, or simply pursuing your passions, this dedicated workspace will inspire you to achieve your goals with ease and efficiency. Elevate your small apartment bedroom with a cohesive color scheme and decor style, crafting a harmonious and visually appealing space that feels impeccably designed and intentional. Choose a color palette that complements your personal taste and reflects the ambience you wish to create, whether it's calming neutrals, vibrant hues, or soothing pastels. Opt for furniture pieces and decor items that adhere to a consistent style, whether it's modern minimalism, rustic charm, or eclectic bohemian. By maintaining cohesion in both color and style, you'll create a cohesive and inviting atmosphere that exudes sophistication and charm. Embrace the power of unity and watch as your small apartment bedroom becomes a stylish sanctuary where every element feels curated and thoughtfully chosen. Transform your small apartment bedroom into an oasis of organization with built-in storage solutions. Consider installing floor-to-ceiling closets or built-in wardrobes to maximize storage space without sacrificing precious square footage. These custom storage units provide ample room for clothing, shoes, and accessories, while also keeping clutter out of sight and creating a streamlined and tidy appearance. By utilizing vertical space effectively, you'll free up floor space for other furniture or activities, making your bedroom feel more spacious and functional. Embrace the efficiency of built-in storage and watch as your small apartment bedroom becomes a haven of organization and style. With everything neatly tucked away, you'll enjoy a clutter-free environment that promotes relaxation and tranquility. Revitalize your small apartment bedroom with versatile adjustable or modular furniture pieces that adapt to your changing needs. Incorporate folding tables that can be easily tucked away when not in use, providing space for various activities like working, studying, or enjoying meals. Stacking chairs offer additional seating options for guests and can be conveniently stored when not needed, maximizing space and flexibility in your bedroom. With these adaptable furniture pieces, you'll have the freedom to rearrange your space to accommodate different activities and occasions, ensuring your small apartment bedroom remains functional and inviting. Embrace the versatility of adjustable furniture and watch as your bedroom transforms into a dynamic and multifunctional space tailored to your lifestyle. Maximize the functionality of your small apartment bedroom with clever space-saving storage solutions. Utilize underbed storage containers to make the most of valuable floor space, keeping belongings neatly tucked away and out of sight. Hanging organizers can be used to store clothing, accessories, or shoes, freeing up precious closet space and keeping your items easily accessible. Install wall-mounted hooks for hanging coats, bags, or jewelry, maximizing vertical space and adding a touch of organizational flair. With these smart storage solutions, you'll not only declutter your bedroom but also create a more streamlined and efficient living space. Embrace the power of organization and watch as your small apartment bedroom becomes a clutter-free oasis of comfort and style. Transform your small apartment bedroom into a bright and airy retreat with this ingenious idea featuring mirrors or mirrored surfaces. Strategically placing mirrors or incorporating mirrored furniture pieces will help visually expand the space and amplify natural light, creating the illusion of a larger and brighter room. By reflecting light and bouncing it around the room, mirrors add depth and dimension, making your bedroom feel more open and spacious. Embrace the magic of mirrors and watch as your small apartment bedroom undergoes a stunning transformation, becoming a luminous sanctuary where every corner is bathed in natural light. With mirrors, your bedroom will not only look bigger but also feel more inviting and energizing, setting the perfect ambience for relaxation and rejuvenation.